Go.
Hi, my name is Carissa Williams. Today I would like to talk to you about stem cells. Stem cells are specialized cells from which other cells that have a specialized function are formed. Stem cells are used to increase the understanding of how diseases occur, regenerate and replace diseased cells, test for new drugs, efficacy, and safety. 68% of Americans support the use of stem cells. Stem cells are used to treat cancer such as leukemia, bone marrow transplants, sickle cell, or other autoimmune diseases. So, my chart um, will show that we have red blood cells, nerve cells, white blood cells, liver cells, and heart tissue. These cells are used from stem cells to regenerate and make healthy tissues. These cells are used to treat over 80 treatable diseases. So, in 2011, I was diagnosed with renal cell carcinoma, and I was trying to work with the doctors to um, look at different therapies and aid and assist in remission. Unfortunately, for my disease process, had to remove a kidney to stop my disease process. But as a result, I was able to know that I was not able to get stem cell therapy because of inconclusive evidence to support it. So, how are stem cells obtained? Stem cells are obtained by two ways. They can have in vitro fertilization and cord blood. In vitro fertilization donated from women after they have been implanted after 3 to 5 days of being fertilized with the male sperm. With that being said, these cells can become any cell in the body. So these cells are then put into disease cell to replicate and regenerate those cells. So cord blood is obtained from the umbilical cord and is used to treat blood disorders and bone marrow transplant or autoimmune diseases. And it can be banked for future use. So the umbilical cord blood is taken immediately after the mother gives birth. Once the mother gives birth, the midwife or the doctors place the umbilical cord into a specialized bag. And so once it's done, the father or family member will call the lab to come pick up the blood. Once it's transported, the lab technician will examine and analyze the blood. Once the blood is analyzed, and any red blood cell components that are not needed are discarded, the blood is then repacked and put into liquid nitrogen in where it should be stored at a negative 190 degrees Celsius. This can be saved for 15 years. So according to medicine.net, stem cell therapy is considered the next level organ transplantation. Stem cell therapy is implanted into a person, bone marrow, or heart cells. So according to the National Institute for Health, human stem cells are currently used to test drugs. Stem cells can also used to be cured some cancers and put into remission. Next one. So according to Live Science, doctors use cord stem cells to treat autoimmune diseases such as HIV, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. So my case study of my patient, she has MS, and she received a bone marrow stem injection to her knee due to a severe meniscal tear from jogging. And as a result of her doing that, she reported that she had more energy, she felt better, and she wasn't in so much pain. So I have this link here so you can watch her story. It's a 4-minute testimony about the benefits of stem cell therapy. So who benefits from stem cell therapy? People who have spinal cord injuries, type 1 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Alzheimer's, heart disease, stroke, burn patients, cancer, and osteoarthritis. So the benefits of having cord blood is because it's hard to match. So you have a greater chance of finding a match if it's from your immediate parents or siblings, because parents have 50%, the siblings at 25%. Unless you have your own cord blood, you can be matched at 100%. And again, this can be stored for 15 years. So the benefits of stem cells being matched to the recipient for testing is so that they are not destroyed by the recipient's immune system. If the cells are not matched properly, this can cause the body to reject the stem cells. So although stem cell therapy is a very controversial topic in the medical community, stem cell therapy is important to human health. This type of therapy will use to slow down or eradicate diseases and help the human race lead longer, more productive lives. So, to date, 50,000 people have used stem cell therapies that perform therapy, annually. 1 in 3 people will benefit from stem cell therapy, and they're already used in over 80 different diseases. So, more than 300 children have been treated with the cord blood for cerebral palsy, and 35,000 cord blood transplants were in the past 20 years. So the first successful cord blood transplant was on in 1988, and then since then it's been used in 22% of all stem cell transplants. Thank you. That's good. Just download that shit to the computer. She can take it or leave it. It's going to care.